Welcome to eTEN, simple yet powerful. eTEN Smart Learning for CBSE students. Fully 2D 3D animated video lessons. Concept study material to reinforce learning. Download and use offline.
Birds. Good morning. In the early morning, we always hear the chirping of birds. It makes our morning so pleasant, isn't it? Birds are living beings. They are one of the most beautiful and colorful living beings on our planet. They live in almost every habitat of the earth. They have light bodies with wings which help them to fly. Their beaks and claws help them to catch food and build nests. A bird's body consists of beak, eyes, wings, tail, and legs. A bird's body structure helps it to fly. Feathers. Birds have small and fluffy feathers all over their body. Feathers are the most unique feature of a bird. They help the birds to fly, to keep itself warm, and to camouflage. Feathers are of three types: down feather, body feather, and flight feather. Down feathers are found all over the body of the bird. They are fluffy and soft and help to keep their body warm. Body feathers form a layer over the down feathers and cover the body, wings, and tail. They are strong but light in weight. They protect the body from the cold and the wind. They give a smooth shape to the bird. Flight feathers are found on the wings and tail. They are long and flat. Wing feathers are used in flapping, and tail feathers help in changing the direction during a flight. They help the bird to fly.
To explore more content for conceptual clarity, give a missed call on 7043 722 733 and get a link to download now. eTEN, simple yet powerful. To know more, call on 7096 722 733. Act now.